Hi, in this video we're going to play Welsh Lullaby to apply what we've learned about the dotted quarter note in the last lecture. So first let me play you the lullaby and then we're going to break it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sure you recognize this tune from somewhere. Beautiful lullaby. So let's break it down. It's very easy. The right hand, again, it just I-M rest stroke, nothing fancy, nothing technical, just alternating the I and the M. We're starting with the C, the dotted quarter note. So we count 1, 2, and then on the end we play the B open. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And then D. 1, 2, C, B, G. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then A, 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again this bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So it's the same thing. We playing the dotted quarter note 2 beats, but instead of 1, 2, it's 3, 4, and then we play on the and. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The second line is exactly the same as the first one, so we're going to skip this one. And we go to the third line, which starts with the F. F, E, F, G. And then we're going to slide the third finger to the A. This is the A note on the 5th fret, first string. And we're going to play this one for 1.5 beats. And then we slide back with the same finger to the G. So it goes like this. 1, 2, and. Again. 1, 2, and. So playing from the first bar, the F. Again, these two bars. And then continue from the F, E, D, C, then E, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So let's play the third line again from the beginning. Two and 3, 4, and then finally the last line, same as the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you like this tune. In the resources file you will find the two audio files. One, me playing with the backing track, and the second one is only the backing track, so you can play this tune with it. It's on 60 beats per click on the metronome. That's the speed I recorded the audio with. So you can, after you play it for a few times, you can play it with a backing track. It will sound really good. So I hope you learned something new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.